I do want to give one quick shout out here to talk about projects. The one thing
Yeah.
that I find about projects is that most companies will build projects 50% up front, 50% when done. Well, if the project takes like 3 months to do, then you're incurring cost every month for the labor that you're paying for, but you're not showing the revenue. And maybe a little bit at the beginning, a little bit at the end, but in the middle, there's nothing, which explains why this one here has zero revenue for projects in April. I guarantee you they did labor in April for project work. So the solution to this, and it's a hard one for some companies to switch or start doing, is bill projects on a monthly basis. Bill for the work you've done, not for the fact that you've completed something, but we completed this work last month, so here's the bill for it. And then you keep doing that. Some people call that progress invoicing, but you do at least one invoice each month for the work you did in that month, so that you're showing revenue consistently every month. Otherwise, you get a roller coaster like this where it just keeps going up and down and up and down, and it's
Yeah.
not consistent.